Mm-hmm.
Let's put my sleeves up so that these two don't come on me.
Mm.
So first, these are the ingredients you will need for the slime. First, you will need glue, activator. You can use, they've also given paint, but you can use any color you like.
Mm-hmm.
The most shiniest thing ever, you're gonna like it. Glitter glue, glitter glue, glitter glue. Then you will need this dabba which they've given.
Okay.
This spoon, and they have not given toothpaste,
Mm-hmm.
but you need to get it toothpaste. What is it? Toothpaste.
Do you need a dog as well?
Yes, that's me.
Okay.
You use any color, and if you don't have toothpaste, it's okay. You can use your pinky finger and then dip it, and then just mix it. Just mix it, mix it. So let's start.
Mm-hmm.
So first, we are going to remove this cap. Now, open this. Put as much as glue you like.
What sound is that?
In this glue, you can put as much as you like.
So what have you done? You put the glue in this specific dabba, is it? Got it. Okay, then next.
And next, you are going to use activator.
What is that? Activator.
Yeah.
Do you also get a deactivator?
No.
Only the
Stop.
activator. Only the
Stop.
activator. Okay.
Stop acting funny. Now,
Mm-hmm.
use this. Spoon. These two are spoons. Some people say this looks like a spatula.
You want to use it?
There he is. I am going to use it.
Thank you.
Now, just mix it up.
Why is there such a lot of gap between your teeth?
Because my tooth broke.
Okay. Why are you putting that on your hand? Oh boy. Kimaya, you're supposed to make a slime, not a mess.
I am.
Yes, you are making a mess. Oh.
Guys.
What are you doing though? Kimaya, do you want to just add the other colors and the glitter and then keep stirring it?
Sure. You can use any color you like.
Okay.
You can mix them. It's okay.
When are we going to mix them?
Right now.
Can you? Right. What are you doing now? You're adding color.
I'm gonna add pink because it's my favorite color.
Okay.
This has never happened to me.
What has never happened to you? You're only 8 years old. Okay, are you going to add the glitter now?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
Did some glitter come out?
Daddy, would you help me?
Of course.
Finally, I opened it.
Yeah, of course you opened it, yes.
Silver came out.
Great.
Golden. Done.
Now
Okay,
I think you
now-
should mix it.
Yeah.
Okay, now are you stirring? Kimaya, what about the coronavirus? Are you giving a message to everyone as well?
Yes.
What's your message?
Hope you stay safe. Don't get defeated by corona. Just ignore the corona. And if you got corona, same thing I've also got. I've also got corona.
Okay.
So how to defeat corona also? By keep on drinking water, eating fruits, having your medicines, and get some rest.
And wear your mask.
And rest.
And listen to your daddy.
Listen to your parents.
Okay, thank you. Hey Kimaya, you done? So finally the slime is ready. Okay, good job.
Give me uses of slime.
There are uses of slime. Never heard of that.
You can play with it.
The only use of slime, one is to play, second is to irritate others. Sounds great. So show me your slime. Show me. Alright, that is nice.
Thank you. Stay safe. Like, share, and subscribe. This is the subscribe button, and this is the bell.
You're just watching too much YouTube, I think. Okay, thank you, baby.
Bye.
Bye, love.